Have you ever wanted to create an amazing image with AI but felt stuck because you didn't know exactly what to type? Well, with the new feature in Leonardo AI, you don't need to be a pro at writing prompts anymore. That's right, you can create stunning, customized images completely for free, even if you have zero experience. Let me show you how it works. In this video, as I mentioned, I'm going to teach you how to create image you have in mind using Leonardo AI, even if you're new to prompt writing. So stay with me throughout this video. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to the Leonardo AI website. Once you're there, you'll spot introducing FlowState right at the top. Click on Try FlowState. Now, you'll have two modes to choose from, Classic and FlowState. Since we're working with FlowState, let's jump right into that. What is this feature? It provides a series of suggestions to help you achieve the image you want. Here, you can choose styles to get options that fit your preferences. There's also image dimensions, which lets you select specific image sizes, like for Facebook, Instagram, or custom sizes. For this tutorial, I'll choose the square option. FlowState also includes a bunch of cool options like vibe mode, lighting mode, shot type, and color theme, all helping you fine-tune the overall look and feel of your image. For example, you can easily pick a color theme that fits the vibe you want to create. I'll write a prompt, Christmas scene with a cat. Then I click on Generate. It provides you with a set of images in different styles based on the simple prompt you entered. These images are generated with various styles. Now, if you pay attention, you'll see several variations of the same image. I'll choose the one I like the most, the one that best matches the outcome I want. For example, which image should we choose that might be better? I select this image and click More like this. After the click, based on what we selected, it picks a lighting mode and color theme, generates a series of images in the same style I chose. Then select this image, and it provides another set of images hierarchically based on the suggestions. The styles are clearly specified here. It then provides me with a more complete prompt, which says high contrast, low-key lighting illuminates a Christmas scene in rich deep teal. A luxurious, vibrant orange tabby cat is dramatically featured in deep shadows. Digital art. Now, I want to write a new simple prompt and see what output it gives me. A colorful female singer. Now, I click Generate, and it gives me several different outputs based on the prompt I wrote, asking which one is closer to the output I had in mind. I select one and click More like this. Among the suggested images, I select one and click More like this again. Step by step, using the options it gives me, I get closer and closer to desired output. You can click on any of them to download it, or save it to your Leonardo AI library with a click here. Keep in mind that here, you didn't write any specific prompt, nor did you know exactly what output you were going to get, but using the options provided, we were able to reach the desired result. So, how much can we use this feature for free? With this AI, free users can generate up to 300 images in FlowState. If you need more than this, you will need to upgrade your account. In this video, we learned how to generate images in different styles with Leonardo AI using the simplest method, even without knowing how to write prompts. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.